Hello, this is the second video I'm going to make about my GALAXEUS arcade game and the GALAXEUS arcade engine for very old ISA hardware, Intel ISA hardware. And this time I want to show you the enhanced versions that runs on my CRT with much more vertical refresh rate. And yes, I just show you. So you see I put the image on the ROM and on this old NIC. I put it in my setup. There are no hard disk or floppy drives now anymore. I removed the controller. It's over there. And I just fire up the machine. And now it boots from the ROM. The debug monitor, the arcade game. Let me show you the smooth operation. It's a shame you can't upload clips with more than 60 Hertz to YouTube. So you cannot see the smoothness. There's really no stutter. And you see, it's 78 Hertz with 78 frames per second. That's quite nice, I think. I may say, to sound not too much not too cocky, but it's really amazing on this old hardware. I really can't believe it myself. It's an 8-bit VGA card, an oak. And yes, and the GALAXEUS game itself is not only a technical demo. I even tried to mimic the aesthetics of the older arcade games. And you will see this is the first screen, and when there are no credits, the game starts in attract mode, where it mimics a human player or human players. And it's not just random movement. The games are pretty nice that you see here. And I used a special technique for this. I will explain later in another video. And yes, when the ship is hit the attract mode, switches back to the main screen mode, where you can insert coins. You also have a calibration screen where you can adjust your monitor settings like on a real arcade machine. And yes, that's it. Oh, and on the ROM version, the high score is saved in the battery buffered CMOS. And yeah, that's it. Let me show you that the high score survived the power cycle. There are no disks in this setup. There it is, 210. Okay, thanks for watching. See you.